Aloha and good afternoon. Thank you for joining us here on This Is Now. Happening right now, hundreds of Kapiolani nurses are on the picket line for their one-day strike.
Hospital management says all nurses represented by the union, even those who are not striking today, will be locked out of the hospital until they accept the contract offer. Annalisa Burgos joins us live now from the scene. Annalisa, what can you tell us?
Well, hey guys, as you can see, hundreds of nurses behind me in front of the hospital. I'm going to step away for a little bit so you can see them. They've been here since 7 this morning, even though it would mean losing their health benefits starting October 1st. Now, you'll remember contract negotiations have been going on for about a year between the union and the hospital. Talks yesterday broke down between them and they couldn't come to an agreement. Now, because of the strike, tomorrow at 7 a.m., the hospital said it would lock out these nurses until they agree to their offer unconditionally. They've called it generous, but that's actually something the nurses disagree with. They say they're willing to take the risk, and that's why they're out here. We heard from both sides this morning.
After this strike, all these nurses are thinking, what's going to happen tomorrow with the lockout? You see this? We have children, we have families. And the hospital has been threatening us every day this week that they're taking away our insurance. You're not just taking away from us, you're taking away from our children, our families. There'd be a lot more kids here, but they're in school. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Their benefits will continue through the month of September. That is for health and dental. As they cross over into October, they will be able to have the same benefits through COBRA. And we communicate with our nurses. We will not allow a contract dispute to keep our eye from doing exactly what we've committed to. We are here for our community. Our care will be uninterrupted.
So as you heard, the hospital says it will continue its quality of care. It has hired hundreds of temporary nurses to cover these shifts that will be left open because these nurses are on strike. And for now, no end in sight. Both sides have said they are sticking their fork in the ground, not willing to move on this issue of nurse-to-patient ratios. It's not about money, the nurse union says. They say it's about the staffing policies that the hospital hopes to implement. So again, we'll be following this for you throughout the day, and we'll have more later in tonight's newscast. Reporting live here at Kapiolani Medical Center, Annalisa Burgos, Hawaii News Now. Back to you guys.
Thank you so much, Anna.